The lungs are essential organs of the respiratory system, responsible for the vital process of gas exchange that sustains life. Located in the chest cavity on either side of the heart, the lungs work continuously to supply oxygen to the bloodstream and remove carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. This automatic and ongoing function is critical for maintaining the body's internal balance and supporting every cell's energy needs. Structurally, the lungs are soft, spongy organs divided into lobes, 3 in the right lung and 2 in the left lung. Air enters the body through the nose or mouth, traveling down the trachea, windpipe, which splits into 2 bronchi leading to each lung. Inside the lungs, these bronchi branch into smaller airways called bronchioles, which end in tiny air sacs called alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by a network of capillaries where gas exchange occurs. Oxygen passes through the thin walls of the alveoli into the blood, while carbon dioxide moves from the blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. Breathing, or ventilation, is facilitated by the diaphragm and intercostal muscles. When you inhale, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, expanding the chest cavity and allowing the lungs to fill with air. When you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and air is pushed out of the lungs. This rhythmic process happens unconsciously, but can also be controlled voluntarily, such as during speaking, singing, or holding one's breath. The lungs also play a role in regulating blood pH by controlling carbon dioxide levels. Additionally, they help filter out small blood clots and air bubbles and serve as a defense mechanism against harmful substances. Tiny hair-like structures called cilia line the respiratory tract, trapping dust, bacteria, and other particles, which are then expelled through coughing or sneezing. Maintaining healthy lungs is crucial for overall well-being. Common lung diseases such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, pneumonia, and lung cancer can significantly impair lung function. Smoking is one of the leading causes of lung damage, as it introduces harmful chemicals that inflame and destroy lung tissue over time. Air pollution, occupational hazards, and respiratory infections also pose risks to lung health. To keep lungs healthy, it is important to avoid smoking, minimize exposure to pollutants, maintain regular physical activity, and practice good hygiene to prevent infections. Exercise, in particular, strengthens the respiratory muscles and improves lung efficiency. Regular medical checkups can help detect potential issues early and ensure proper lung function. In summary, the lungs are vital organs that perform the crucial task of oxygenating the blood and removing carbon dioxide. Their complex structure and continuous activity support life at every moment. Protecting lung health through healthy lifestyle choices and environmental awareness is essential for maintaining overall health and quality of life. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for a physician.